Hey guys, and welcome back to Bulgarian World Aviation 101. Welcome guys, welcome. And for today's video, we're gonna do Dallas Airport plane spotting in rainy conditions. Look, there's gonna be a Cessna landing right. Let me show you the view. Where is he? Yep, there he is, guys. He's landing. There he is, that little guy. He's landing. Well, there he is. There she is. There she is, guys. Okay, for this one, I'm not using side screen. No more side screen mode. Yep, just normal. No more side screen. No more side screen modes and stuff from my other videos. She landed. Disappeared. Now she's too low to have sight. Or she's too low for sight. The runway lights are beeping. Yeah, the runway lights are beeping. Oh wow, guys. I wasn't expecting that plane, guys. Yeah, of course, why not? He's landing in from the other runway at IAD Dallas Airport. Here he is. You can see him, guys. I don't need zoom unless I see. Hey, guys, there's. Oh wow, guys, where'd the plane kings around here? There's so many planes landing in the conditions except Cessnas. Hey, guys. This isn't a Cessna, this is an Embraer. Let's see who's that. I think that is an Embraer 190. Guys, that is a Delta Embraer 190, I think. Look at him, guys. Look at him land. Wow, guys. Yeah, guys. It's also getting rainy. Not so good weather. It's not so good predictable weather around here now. Huh? Some fog is. You can barely see the tower over there. It sits right there. Oh my god, guys. I don't think this is good, guys. This is not good. This isn't good, guys. Maybe I should zip my jacket. Guys, I cannot while I'm recording. Guys, wait a minute, guys. Guys, we just need to wait. Don't worry, we'll get it. We know he's got a few planes onto our hands. Oh, wait, we have another one. Oh my god, guys. This is a big boy. This is a big boy, guys. This is a big boy. Watch out because the big boy's coming, bro. The big sus is coming. Wow, guys. Whoa, guys. Air France 777. Guys, that was an Air France 777. That was an Air France Boeing 777 777 landing. There you go, guys. As you can see in foggy conditions. Guys, oh my god. Oh. That was unpredictable, guys. I don't know how we were able to see an Air France 777 in this weather. Oh my god, guys. It's getting rainy. No matter, guys, I'll keep recording. Oh, guys, because of these conditions, in a little bit, we're gonna have to stop. It's not good out here. I hope my video doesn't appear sideways again, guys. If not, I'm gonna research why it's happening. If it happens again, I mean, I'm gonna research why this and how this thing's happening. Guys, should be proud. was in class before I was going, guys. You know I'm a kid, right? My teacher told us that on the weekend there's going to be rainy conditions. It's not going to be good, predictable weather. This is unfortunately an unpredictable weather, guys. Yeah, guys, this is unfortunately a very unpredictable weather. This is max rains bearing down right now, as you can see, guys. Yeah, I know the screen's getting wet. I mean, guys, like soon enough, as we know, guys.